Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the rumors of Google Pixel 10. Google is gearing up to launch the Pixel 10 series at its Made by Google event in New York on August 20. Pre-orders are expected to open that same day and the phone should hit stores by the end of August. This year, we are not just getting one or two models, Google is reportedly launching four. The Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Whether you are a casual user or a power user, there's something here for everyone. In terms of design, don't expect a massive overhaul. The Pixel 10 is rumored to keep the same clean look as the Pixel 9 with the signature camera bar, rounded edges and a flat screen. But it still feels premium thanks to Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both sides and a solid aluminum frame. And let's talk colors. Leaks show some fun new options like Obsidian, Frost, Indigo and a bright yellow shade called Limoncello. Google's definitely aiming for a bolder, more expressive style this year. Now the display. The base Pixel 10 is set to come with 6.3-inch LTPO OLED screen offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness, which means excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. On the inside, the phone is expected to be powered by Google's next-gen Tensor G5 chip, paired with 12GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of storage. Early benchmark leaks suggest we will see improved performance and better battery efficiency compared to the Pixel 9, though we will have to wait for real-world tests. And this is for camera lovers. For the first time, the base Pixel 10 is rumored to get a triple camera setup, a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. If this turns out to be true, it's a major win for people who love pixel photography but don't want to shell out for a pro model. Battery life is also getting a boost with a rumored 4970 mAh battery. You'll have plenty of charging options too. It has 29 watts wired charging, 15 watts wireless with a Pixel stand, 20 watts standard wireless charging, reverse wireless and even bypass charging to reduce heat during gaming or streaming. As for pricing, here's what we are hearing so far. The Pixel 10 will likely start at $799, the Pixel 10 Pro at $999, the Pixel 10 Pro XL at $1,199 and the Pixel 10 Pro 4 could start at $1,799. Higher storage options will cost more, with the Pro models rumored to offer up to 1 TB. Google is also expected to bundle in some perks with each phone. Things like Google AI Pro, Fitbit Premium and YouTube Premium, adding even more value to your purchase. That's everything we know so far, but remember, none of these details are officially confirmed yet. We will know the full story on launch day. If you are excited about Pixel 10 lineup, let me know which model or color you are most interested in down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the full breakdown once it's all official. See you in the next video.